This is my 12-volt all-in-one diesel heater installed in my cellar to heat my cellar. I've got central heating in the house, it's just that it's not down here. My cellar is quite a big room. Yeah, that's that there is a boot hull exhaust pipe outlet, and that's just a UPVC blank panel for a window. But, yeah, I've used proper e-basher pipe for it because the stuff that comes with the heater is garbage, and that is a genuine e-basher or S-basher, whatever silencer, brand spanking new. eBay special, £9. On that option. The fuel pump, I don't know if you can see it, is hung on that piece of aluminium brazing, teak rod, and it's just hung there, and it doesn't transfer any noise whatsoever to the property. I'm going to change that green fuel pipe because it's garbage. I'm running it off a 20 amp power supply, and the fuel tank is a boat outboard motor fuel tank, 3 gallons that holds. And it disconnects, so I can take it to the filling station and fill it back up with red diesel. So that's what I'm running it on now, and there it is running. And my cellar is toasty. Yes. Anyway, there it is. A 5 kilowatt parking heater installed in my home. Over and out.